afternoon, teacher and everyone. My name is Sabira Benny. I read a lesson. City mouse and country mouse. City mouse lie in a very long city cat. Dry people, city mother. Play. It is always by country mouse lie in the very quiet country here live here but it is peaceful and claim one day city moves to the country where it is so quiet. He cool. Pooh.